Hasbury Theater Company, in association with Brooklyn College Radio, presents Who Wants to Marry a Sound Effects Guy?, a radio play by Dan Fiorella.
Next week, join us for a special program, Who Wants to Marry a Sound Effects Guy? Our internationally renowned sound effects technician, Dave Barrows, has offered to marry a complete stranger from a field of 50 contestants in a search for true love and ratings. These women will compete in a number of categories, answering questions in haiku, attempting to prove the unified field theory, stating their opinions regarding the Warren Commission report, and a swimsuit competition. Dave and his chosen bride will then be married on the air and enjoy a fabulous honeymoon. They'll be flown to New York City by helicopter and parachute into traffic in front of the Grand Royal Trump Sheraton Hotel. After a royal reception, the newlyweds will be whisked by a horse-drawn carriage. I said whisked. Into the opening of the new Broadway musical, Riverdance meets Stomp. Then, a quiet dinner at the obscenely expensive Chez Chaz, which presents the Mel Torme Experience, a nightly tribute to the late Velvet Fog.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Next, they'll join the cast of Cats at their reunion party. Then back into the horse-drawn carriage to be taken downtown against traffic to the piers of the South Street Seaport to board the famous pointless cruise around Manhattan, where they will see many of the famous landmarks of Manhattan from quite a faraway distance. Once in the harbor, they will challenge one of the Staten Island ferry boats to a race to the Verrazano Narrows Bridge and back. Winner receiving Governor's Island.
Hello, Governor.
Then, the happy couple will be taken to their new home, a beach house at Breezy Point, where they will live out their days in the manner of kings. Whoops, I'm sorry. That's the Borough of Kings.
Yo!
That's next week on Who Wants to Marry a Sound Effects Guy?
But I'm already married.
Dave, be quiet. Yeah, we know it's stupid. Just be quiet and do it.
With Michael Adriano Hagen as the host and Ian Pfister as Dave. Who Wants to Marry a Sound Effects Guy by Dan Fiorella is produced, edited, and directed by Shabir Iman Hassan.